How to verify your Taobao account. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open the Taobao application in your mobile device. Once you open the application, go ahead and simply log in to your Taobao account. So once you're logged into your account, simply tap on the account section at the bottom right corner. Once you're inside the account section, tap on the gear-like icon at the top right corner, and inside here, you want to go ahead and tap on switch account. So from here, you want to go ahead and tap on add an account and then log in to Taobao with Alipay. Set up an Alipay account by entering your phone number, and just like so, it links and verify your Taobao automatically. But if you stubbornly want to verify your old Taobao account without Alipay, you want to go ahead and simply contact Taobao customer support. For that, you want to go ahead and tap on the headset icon, then tap on Taobao customer service and find their mobile number or live chat. Just know that they're gonna be asking for your password and walk you through a slower bureaucratic ritual. So that is simply how you can verify your Taobao account. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.